Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight on trip.com. Okay, so the very first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. That's right, and then you just have to search for trip.com. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. You just have to follow the different steps. Then after that, you'll be able to create your account. Okay, now if your plans change, your schedule move, or you just need a different flight, do not worry. Your booking is actually pretty simple once you know where to look, and make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share some important tips to avoid extra fees. Okay, so yeah, you can also use the trip.com application in your phone. You just have to go to the website on your web browser. So make sure that you've logged into an account you used to book your flight. Okay, and then if you book as a guest, don't worry, you still have the access to your bookings using the confirmation email and the booking reference number. So once you're logged in, just have to look for the my booking section. Okay, so this option right here at the top, so just have to click on it. Okay, and then you'd be able to see here now your booking. So we have here flights, you have here hotels, you have your trains, airport transfers, private tools, and tour packages. Okay, so before making any changes, you have to check if your ticket allows rebooking because not all tickets are flexible, especially lower costs or promotional fares. So as you can see, I don't really have any bookings right here because I just use this account for this video. Okay, so again, not all tickets are flexible, especially lower cost or promotional fares. So yeah, you just have to look for the options like change flight, modify booking, or similar options. So if you don't see any of this, your ticket might not be changeable or you may need to contact the customer support. Now, the next one is you just have to select change flight. So once or if your ticket is eligible, just have to click on the change flight options. You'd be able to see that right here once you have your booking or your ticket. And after that, you will be taken to a page where you can choose a new flight. So here you can select a new date, pick a different time, and sometimes even change your route. So you just have to choose the option that works best for your schedule. Okay, so you would be able to see that right here. And then next one is you have to review the price difference. So after selecting your new flight, trip.com will show you the updated cost. And this may include a fare difference, change fee. So depending on the airlines. So of course, here's what you need to know about it. If the new flight costs more, you'll need to pay the difference. And if it costs less, refunds are not always guaranteed and it depends on the airline's policy. So you need to read the airline's policy as well. And make sure to review everything carefully before continuing. Now, the next one is you have to confirm and pay the difference. So if you're satisfied with the new details, just have to click confirm. Again, you would be able to see that right here on my bookings option. And if there's an additional charge, just need to proceed with the payment. So you can usually pay using credit or debit cards, other available payment methods depending on your location. So once the payment is completed, your rebooking will be processed. Now, you also need to check your confirmation. So after your booking, you'll receive a confirmation email with your updated flight details. So make sure that the email that you are using during the booking process is active because you will receive the confirmation there. So you just have to open your Gmail, open your email, and then look for that new notification. So make sure to double check the new date and time, the passenger information, the booking reference number, and keep a copy of this for your records. And important tips for this before You have to rebook as early as possible to avoid higher costs. And always review the ticket rules before booking. Take a screenshot of your booking and payment for backup. And if you run into issues, you have to contact trip.com customer support right away. So, for example, we are going to book a flight. So, I can show you what kind of ticket that you can actually um, purchase, so you can change your or you can rebook your flight anytime, or it depends on the ticket. So for example, we are flying from Manila, Philippines. Okay, so let's just talk about Manila, and we are going to let's say Taipei, and then after that you just have to tap on search. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and I am going to show you the ticket that you can actually purchase. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds. And again, you have to book as early as possible to avoid higher cost. Okay, so for example, we are going to select this one. Okay, so tap on select, and then here we have the economy class. We have the economy class and the economy class option right there. So you just have to look for the included here on your package, where you can actually rebook this flight if ever your schedule change. So you just have to tap on continue after that. So here, let's say we are going to add a new payment method. Okay, so here on the ticket, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see now the total amount that you need to pay. Okay, so here we have carry-on baggage for this one, and then check your baggage. So for the cancellation and changes, cancellation non-refundable. Okay, so cancellation guarantee 80%. And for the changes, we have this one. So for the flexible travel dates, if you want to include this one, okay, so you can change, you can this one is valid before departure of the first flight and non-transferable to change flights. So we can also include this one, and we have here free promo codes. Then after that, you just have to pay the total amount for this one. Okay, so again, I'm going to tell you once again the important tips if you are using trip.com for your booking. You have to always review the ticket rules before booking. You have to take screenshots of your booking and payment for backup. And if you run into issues, you have to contact trip.com customer support right away. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, then please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.